He's late. It's going to jeopardize the whole operation.
Patience is a virtue, Al. And silence is too.
Hey, Forrest.
You're late. Get in.
John, there's been a little misunderstanding.
A little misunderstanding. From what my informants tell me, it's bigger than that.
Let me explain. I was at the shipment and I got a little carried away. I got way too into it and I started tripping. I lost much of the shipment, but I got one sheet and 25,000 in this case.
That all.
Yeah, that's all.
I gave you my trust, and you broke that. I gave you 30 sheets, and you screwed that up. I've been known to be a forgiving man, but in circumstances like this, I'll listen to my gut.
Man? What? Oh, screw this, man.
I'm fine.
God, are you okay?
I'm going to go after him.
Go!
Fine.
You! Go get my money. You?
Sir.
You shot him, you get rid of the body.
Alright. Tony, you coming with me. Let's get this body. Let's go, man. What's the deal with that Armageddon thing, man? No, really, man. I'm being serious. They say in like 2012 we all gonna die. Something like that, huh?
then I guess I won't get to listen to your stupid bastard mouth then. Sounds good to me.
You don't know.
No, you too OG. Man, maybe it's that I don't really care, dog. If I go out, I go out. The only thing is, when I go, I'm gonna go with a bang. And whoever's trying, better be damn sure they're well equipped.
Man, you too cocky. You need to relax.
Right here, dog, right here. I got you. Man, get the bottle. Man, just helping you out. Why you so high strung? It's the Don, man. Who the hell made him boss?
Dude, don't touch that.
Think he'll sink? Oh yeah, he'll sink. Let's get out of here, dog.
What the? Y'all a bunch of stoners? What are you doing? What? I saw y'all get. What are you doing? Fucking your, what is that, like a crank pipe? You stoners? All of you are just getting your stones and, I mean.
What are you on?
Yeah, and you're getting just stoned. See you in your cars when you're not working. On the job, y'all are high. Look at you. I mean, you're getting so stoned in your car. You're late now. Look, you're late.
Actually, you were late. We've been here since 10, which is what time we were supposed to be. It's 10:30.
You know,
Where are people?
y'all just a bunch of stoners. All right.
Oh.
Uh,
What is this guy doing? Does he even know we're following him? I don't know, but this guy behind us is following us. Oh, crap. Let's pull over and see what he does.
Y'all got any car trouble? Any problems?
No, but if you want a problem, I can help you out with that.
going on, man. It's insane. I don't know. People are shooting. I'm just going crazy.
I love the colorful clothes she wears and the way the sunlight plays upon her hair. I hear the sound of a gentle wind on the wind that lifts her perfume through the air. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. She's so perfect. Softly smile, I know she must be kind. She goes with me to across the river. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitation. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me excitations, good, good vibrations, excitations, good, good vibrations,
Wait. Car. Where's mine? Work. That's right. Car. Work. Yeah.
I don't know where, but she sends me there.
Happen around here.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Knight, and I've been hearing some gunshots around here, I think. Come over here and check it out.
What do you mean?
I mean that I heard some gunshots. What does that sound like to you?
Yeah, a car backfired.
Car backfire, really? Really?
Yeah.
There is a pool of blood out there with murder written all over it. And if you don't fess up, I'm going to take my foot and break it off in your tail.
That's good. Get out. Get out.
I apologize.